We want to start this painting exercise with the sky, and in particular the light pinks of the morning sunlight hitting the tops of the clouds. Start to block in the pink clouds as shown and be a little generous with the colour. Try and be a little generous with the paint at this stage. New students tend to use too little paint. It's true that too much paint is not good. Same as too little paint. Just the right amount of paint is best. However, this knowledge only comes with getting it wrong until one day you get it right. The ideal look at this part of the blocking in stage of the painting process would resemble a children's simplified paint by numbers painting. Simple shapes of blocked in unblended colours. When all the sky area is blocked in, you are now ready to manipulate the paint on the canvas so it matches the shapes and hues of the image. There is no time pressure or rush for this stage. It's now time to put the horizon back in. Using a light blue-grey, we need to now paint in the sea horizon line across the whole of the canvas. This will immediately separate the headland from the sea. Now this is a very light brush technique that takes time to master. You need to move across the canvas, defining the shapes with small cross-like strokes. Up and down, then left and right, or diagonally left and right. You need to use only the tip of this brush, and even then, only lightly. Do not use this technique on areas that don't need to be softened. And don't use it in a heavy manner. The idea is you only use this technique where it needs it, rather than blanket the entire canvas. Step back now and make a list of things you'd like to change. Things you can see on the photograph but you can't see on your painting. Now's the time to put them in. Final touches.